Hi, I welcome you to this course. I'm your host Aditya. I've been doing iOS development since the last couple of years now, and I'll just talk about what is this course all about. So in this comprehensive iOS development course, you will embark on a journey to build professional and a real-world app from start to finish. Whether you are just getting started or looking to expand your skills, this course covers everything you need to know to confidently develop, test, and publish iOS apps using Swift UI and UIKit. From creating dynamic interfaces and custom components to handling backend integration, I will equip you with tools to bring your ideas to life. You will begin by mastering Swift UI and UIKit, learning how to build stunning responsive user interfaces with custom shapes, font colors, and animations. And as you move forward, you will dive into essential programming concepts like completion handlers, async await, and dispatch groups, which will allow you to manage complex workflows, ensuring that your app runs efficiently. The course dwells deep into Firebase integration, providing you with the ability to add robust backend functionality such as user authentication, real time data management, and ability to create dynamic posts. You will learn how to work with collections and subcollections, empowering users to publish posts, follow each other, and interact in a dynamic feed within your app. We'll also focus on user experience by teaching you how to implement custom loading indicators, haptic feedback, and engaging custom UI elements. But the course doesn't stop there. You learn to add revenue generating features by implementing in app purchases using StoreKit, allowing you to monetize your app directly. Once the app is built, you will gain a hands on experience in testing on real device, ensuring your app functions perfectly in a real world condition. From there, you will upload your app to TestFlight for better testing, refine it based on the feedback. We'll guide you through App Store Connect, teaching you how to prepare your app for submission, manage in app purchases, and navigate the App Store submission process. By the end of this course, you will have built a fully functional iOS app complete with a polished UI, robust backend, and a monetized feature. And you will have the skills to confidently publish it to the App Store, whether you are building a social networking app, a productivity tool, or anything in between. This course provides you with the foundation and expertise to succeed as an iOS developer. This would be the UI of the app that we would be building. So it would include several screens. These are the few screens that I've shown in the screenshot. And obviously, if you have any doubts at any given point inside the course, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I would be really happy to help you. I hope to see you in the course. Thank you.